An enterprise, whatever it is, must be represented in SAP. And for this, we use the so-called organizational structure. First of all, we look at the highest level, the client, used by the company. The client is simply the highest organizational level in the SAP structure. It is the one that allows centralizing data and customizing. Let's take an example of 3 different production sites. Each of the 3 sites connects to the same client to perform their computerized process. Then we have the company. It represents an independent financial unit that manages its own financial statements. Here we find 3 different companies, one in Germany, one in Belgium, and one in France. The company is then linked to the plant. It is a logistic organizational unit. It allows to divide a company from a production, purchasing, maintenance, quality point of view, and much more. Each of our 3 fictitious sites has its own logistic plant. Finally, the last level is the storage location, which represents an organizational unit that defines where materials are stored. A plant can have 1 or more storage locations. Now that we have seen the different organizational structure in general, we will see together in our system which structure is implemented for our EWM configuration. And for this, we will go in the SPRO transaction, SAP reference IMG, and then we can go in the enterprise structure just here. I open, and the first thing to do is in definition, financial accounting, to define the company. So here we are in the client 400. We have already seen this information. And now I can tell you that we are in the company 1210, just here. After define the company, we need to define in logistic general the plant. Define, copy, delete, check plant. I open it, define plant, and for us, we are also in the 1210 plant. For information, if you double click on it, you can fill some detailed information about this plant, the language key, the streets, the address, the factory calendar, and so on. And then, now that we have our company and our plant, we need to make the link. To establish the link, we go in Assignment, and in Logistic General, we can assign plant to company code. And here, we can find 12 this company code and 12 this plant to perform the link. And finally, we need to create the storage location. So we go again in definition, and this time in materials management. And you can see here, maintain storage location. And we perform directly the link with the plant. So 1210, I press enter, and you can see the different storage location assigned to this plant. For our EWM configuration, we will focus on 2 storage locations, AFS for available for sales, and ROD for received on dock. We will focus on these 2 storage locations, and for that, I invite you to go to our next chapter to understand this concept of 2 storage locations in EWM.
Thanks to you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you like our content and to visit our website to know more about SAP. See you soon!